Hi there, my dear Gemini friends. Welcome to M. Duran 888 channel. I'm gonna do your year 2025 reading. It is timeless and a general reading, so it will not resonate to all Geminis. Just take the positive energy and message that will resonate in your situation and leave the rest behind. So if you will like my reading, please don't forget to comment below, like, share, and subscribe. Thank you, love and light, namaste. Let's begin. Thank you. My spirit guides, what are your messages for our dear Gemini friends for the year 2025? My spirit guides, what are your messages for our dear Gemini friends for the year 2025? My spirit guides, what are your messages for the dear Gemini friends for the year 2025? My dear Gemini, you can feel it in here. Positive energy. Um, Fortunately, I can feel it in here that it's time for you to glow. There is glowing and shine. It's time for you to shine. I know that you are surrounded by envious people that is trying to pin you down, but you knew that your inner strength and your strong determination and you are real powered individual. You know that you are surrounded by the spirit guides as long as you are on the right track, as long as you knew that you are doing the right thing. Okay? The power is yours. You will be victorious in the end. Yeah, I can feel it in here that many people, many people are trying to pull you down because of jealousy, and also they are scared of your spiritual strength. These people are possessed by evilness, okay, and you they knew that your inner strength, your spiritual power, and you have that person. You are the person that have strong faith, that you are very powerful to them. So that's why this group of people is trying to really pressurize you, and they think that you will give up. But I can see you in here that you, yes, you are in tears, but these life challenges are just making you become more stronger. Yeah, and more strong-willed person. You are an empath and yes, very compassionate person. If you are a leader, then people will love you, especially those who are um, on the lower level. Yeah, but for those who are on the leadership role, like you in the management, they are so jealous on you because of your um, hard work, your self, your determination. Yeah, and they knew that um, people, staff, the team, even the higher management really likes you. Okay, and your determination of trying to achieve something is very strong, and you knew that you will get it very soon. Okay, for those who are dealing with fights, legal battle, disputes, you will be victorious in the end. Yes, be patient, stay strong, be extra careful, and don't trust easily to anyone. Okay. Um, uh, Success is yours. Power is yours. And family is very important to you. Only that, health wise, you have, for some of you, you have to pay attention. For those who are suffering from lung problem, and for those who are suffering from, this electrical impulses of the nerve, the stinging sensation, numbness, especially in your hands, uh, radiating to the over, and then even to your legs. You have to pay attention to that. If that one is getting worse, you must seek a medical advice. Okay, and then for those who smokes, then slow down, my dear. Okay, slow down. And then, um, if you feel like, for those who are skipping their medications, even though they knew that they should take those medication just to control of something abnormal in your body, then you have to be extra careful. Okay, excuse me, sorry. Okay, let's see. Oh, come on. Um, I can feel it in here as well that try to avoid conflicts with others. Try to calm down. Okay. I know that you are surrounded with wicked people. Okay, but calm down. Okay, deal it professionally and with calm. Um, oh, see, it's beautiful. Okay. Mm, okay. Uh-oh. Tarot message for our dear Gemini friends for year 2025. Let's see. Oh, right. I just add up one. Hmm. Okay. Sorry. That is your um angel spirit guide message. So let's go to the animal spirit guides message. I have just mentioned earlier on that family is your happiness. Then there is a card in here about family. Um, for those messages um, regarding their job, their career, business. Let's see. Oh, okay. The message of love, Oracle deck. I left when, let's see. This one makes me laugh. I guess or no answer to the question that you're seeking for an answer. Let's see. Okay. All right, my dear Gemini friends, let's see what is your overall message for the year 2025. And this message is from the universe. Let's see. Okay, someone is in need of your love. Offer it to them. Okay, someone is in need of your love. Offer it to them. Okay, I think I can feel it in here that, yeah, for some of you, because of your hectic schedule and because of you are so busy achieving something, you know, your focus for those who are married or who have partner or have boyfriend or girlfriend like that, it's like you are, what is this, your time is very restricted, limited. Yeah, it's like you are not having enough time being with them, and they feel like you don't love them anymore. You love more of your job, of your career, of your goal, right? Try to explain to them that they're still in your mind. Okay, it's just that you are that person that if you want something, right, you really dedicated yourself and determined to get that goal. Okay, let's see. For those who believe in magic, and then the power effect of a crystal, I will give you the best crystal that you should buy or and bring it with you all the time. Keep it in your pocket, keep it in your bag wherever you go, or put it in your bedside table or in the living room. Okay, or buy a necklace with a pendant of that stone, or bracelet, or a ring with the stone, with this stone. Okay. Oh, tiger's eye. I have a tiger's eye. It's a beautiful. This stone is to ward off evil, to ward off negative energy. Yeah. Confidence and motivation. It says in here, an opaque gold, yellow to red brown stone with a silky luster. Tiger's eye is associated with the astrological signs of Leo. Okay, and Capricorn, especially lucky when worn on a Sunday. Tiger's eye carries the power of the sun, stimulating qualities of self-confidence, motivation, intelligence, and daring. It ushers in spiritual awakening and steers through into positive action. Okay, well, I've got here a tiger's eye. I think it's in my bedroom. Yes, it's in my bedroom. Okay, let's see. Your um, main card for the first quarter of the year 2025, January, February, March, it's seven of diamonds. Yeah, there is, for some of you, if you are arguing of something that is related to your job or finances, that is generally, it will generally be resolved soon. Okay, so you will receive a good news in here that it will be resolved very soon. Okay, so you will be very happy with that. Okay, and then for some of you, will receive a surprise gift, or for some of you, someone is going to offer you a marriage, or for some of you, you will get pregnant. Okay, and then, or for some of you, there is a fertility energy in here, meaning that you will be getting more money. For those who are working in a company, there will be a lot of overtime to get. Yeah, money. Or for those who are applying for a new job for a higher position, then you will get it. Money. Lucky seven and diamonds. Seven. Okay. All right. In here, the confirmation card. For some of you, you are inspired by your family life, for your love life. It's only the two hearts, meaning there is a strong foundation of your relationship with a beloved, with on your behalf. Only two people in a relationship. You are getting your strength and support from your behalf. All right. And so that's why there is success and prosperity coming into your life, because you are inspired by your love life, romantic life, family life. Okay. See, your tarot message in here is number 8. What is number 8? It is strongly associated with abundance and prosperity. It's a strength. It's a yes card associated with Leo energy and aligned to the sun. You are consciously aware that you will be getting what you want in life. And aligned to solar plexus chakra, meaning you can have whatever you want in life because you are a strong-willed individual. As long as you will be determined of doing something with strong effort. Yeah, you will get whatever you want. Okay, your angel spirit guides message is Ten of Earth, a very happy life, financial security, finding magic in the little things in life. See how it relates? Yeah? Your animal spirit guides message is the Hermit number 9, Firefly. Take time for contemplation, to retreat and go within. Be a beacon for others on their path to spiritual enlightenment. See, as as I've mentioned earlier on, that's why many group of people didn't like you or trying to pull you down because they're scared, because they knew, they can feel it, that you are a spiritual warrior, and then they were possessed by evilness. So because you are a spiritual warrior, then be a beacon for others on their path to spiritual enlightenment. Okay, so for those who are seeking a message from the universe regarding their job, career, and business, outside forces, you are surrounded by spirits, by unseen forces. See, Unknown figures are driving the situation, and you may not be able to control the outcome. This cycle will shift soon and you will be okay. So, meaning, if you are dealing with life challenges, dealing by bullying, by bullied by these people who are envious to you, who are possessed by evilness, then it will be this cycle will shift soon and you will be okay. You are surrounded and protected by good spirits, my dear Gemini friends. Okay, message of love oracle deck, escape. I left when things got hard. So well, I think you have the reason why you left when things got hard. Yes, you don't want to pressurize yourself if you knew that things are getting harder. Or else, even if after you talk with your loved one, then it's still getting harder, then you better stay away at the meantime. For the meantime, I mean. For those who are seeking a yes or no answer to their question, it's a no answer. Starved for attention, empty promises voided. Okay, starved for attention, empty promises voided. So you are uh, seeking an attention in here. Okay, for the second quarter of the year, April, May, June, you have here Queen of Hearts. This is a motherly figure, a water sign with a water sign energy, Pisces, Cancer, and Scorpio, that is very affectionate and loving. Okay, this woman will give you a kind advice, and you must listen to that advice because that advice is with full of wisdom and will lead you to success, will lead you to the right path. I think this is your mother, maybe a boss at work, maybe an older friend who knows, who is well experienced, or who had, because she's older than you, her life experience is better than you, or an aunt or a grandmother. Okay. Oh, right. For some of you, yeah. Ah, yes. For some of you, this is a spirit, a beloved, a dear one who passed away and now in the spirit realm, okay, who is guiding you, protecting you from harm, from evilness. Yeah. Or if you are a prayer warrior, there is this is Mama Mary. Yeah. She's protecting you. She listens to your prayers. Just call her all the time, especially when you are in need. Okay, for protection, you know. Yes, Ten of Hearts. Ten of Hearts is this is a very favorable card indicating that a fortune is after difficulties is coming in your way. This is a good luck card. This is also a card, a great card for socialization. So I know Gemini, for some of you, especially when you are in your middle age, you love to socialize. So this card means that you 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 will be going to a party. You will be invited into a party, or you will be hosting a celebratory party because of your achievements and accomplishments in life. Okay. And your tarot message is here. Wow! Seven of Pentacles, making investments, money, money, money. It's a yes card associated with Taurus energy and aligned to um what is this? Saturn, which is dealing with responsibility and um, responsibility and discipline, okay, and also aligned to solar plexus chakra. So as I've said, you can have whatever you want as long as you will be responsible enough and with strong determination, and you have self-discipline as well. So avoid temptations, okay. Your angel spirit message in here is five of water. Things not turning out the way you had hoped. That's sorry. Not seeing the positive in a situation. Crying over spilled milk. Well, my dear Gemini, if you feel like that, be patient. Step back. Try to meditate. Yeah, try to meditate. I know you will be feeling bad in here because you are not things not turning out the way you had hoped or you had expected. But remember that you cannot um you know you cannot have everything. You cannot have everything, yeah. But what is for you is what is for you. It will never pass you by. If it is destined for you, then it will never pass you by. Remember that. Okay, your animal spirit message is 14, balance. Zebra, by merging varying points of view, you can generate an extraordinary new idea, compromise with others, and collaborate to discover a better solution. Okay, your career, job, business message from the universe is trapped. Okay, you feel stuck in your current situation, but you do have options. Look for another job while keeping the one you have for now. That's right, that's right. Maybe that's why it is related to the five of water. Things not that it means things not turning out the way you had hoped. Then look for another job, yeah, so that you will not feel bored while keeping the one you have for now. Sorry, I'm having an itchy nose. Don't know what's happened. Message of Love Oracle deck, irreplaceable. The way you love can never be much. Wow, for those who are in love and are really with soulmates, really there is a strong soul connections in here. So that's he's the one, she's the one. That person is the one for you. For those who have someone at the moment. And for those who are seeking a yes or no answer to your question, it's a yes card. Sunny outlook, blossom, open to divine inspiration. Again, divine inspiration. For the third quarter of the year 2025, you have here six of diamonds, meaning there is a relationship problems in here. There is an argument. There is a separation. Yes, quiet. Yeah, um, problems with a second marriage or a fight with a best friend. There is a possessiveness in here or a jealousy. For those who have uh, no one special in their life, I think this is a fight or disputes within the team. Yeah, because of jealousy. As I have said, calm down and watch your words. Okay, calm down and deal it in a calm manner. Talk to that person, and well, if it's getting hard and that person is really want to have a fight with you, I think you better step back. Okay, all right, confirmation is because of the malicious gossip that person is spreading malicious gossips about you. That's why you are very disappointed. Yeah, and it is really an opposition to you. So that's why you're having conflicts with others in here. So as I've said, come down, two of spade. This means, and you know what, with this is an obstacle to your success. So better try to ignore or just leave that behind. Okay, remember that wherever you go, there are envious people. Yeah, you cannot please everyone. Okay, your tarot message in here is the devil. Major Arcana number 15. It's a no card and associated with Capricorn energy and aligned to Saturn, planet Saturn, which is self discipline and responsibility, and also aligned to a root chakra. It says in here, because of these things of complex with others, it make you feel depressed. There is anxiety in here, feeling down, personal loss, and then some for some of you is now going to engage in an addiction, using illicit drugs, drinking too much alcohol, or smoking. No, my dear Gemini friends, don't do that because you are just torturing your body. Your mind is very strong, but your body is the one suffering for what you're doing. Remember that. Okay, in the end, you will be the loser. As I've said, deal it in a calm manner and better to, yeah, spend time in nature. And I think be with someone who really you can rely. Okay, you can yes, who can comfort you, and then I think better, or be on your own, try to meditate, do yoga, reiki, do spiritual activity, contemplation. It says in here, power, you feel powerlessness in here, but do not do not the power of negative thinking, no, do not do that. Okay, your angel spirit message in here is eight of air, an illusion of being trapped. See, an illusion of being trapped, a lack of self-confidence, afraid to take action. Now you are getting that energy because of this. If you will let the depression, okay, anxiety affect yourself, then that will happen. Feeling being trapped, or you are now having a lack of confidence. So that's why do not let those negative energy affect you. Okay. Tree of winter, that this is from your animal spirit guide spirit, a message. Rose breasted grows big. Sadness is a part of life, but you don't have to endure it alone. You may need a little time to heal, but once you work your way through the emotions, you will be stronger than before. As I have said, be with someone who can give you comfort, or be with good friends who can make you laugh. Those friends who love making jokes. Okay. And your career, job, business message from the universe is movement. You will make good progress now, and you will be able to overcome any obstacles in your path. See, after doing that spiritual activity that I am advising you, like I'm spending in nature, doing yoga, doing reiki, you'll be on your own, contemplating, try to move on, then this thing will happen. Movement. Big leaps forward are possible, my dear Gemini friends. There is positive opportunities that is coming in your way. Okay. And a message of love oracle deck for you. Damage. We are both hurting from this. Well, if your relationship is not working, you keep on fighting, then um, talk to each other and decide the right decision. Yeah? Rather than, I think for me, I better be alone rather than being with a wrong person. Okay, for those who are seeking for a yes or no answer to their question, it's a no answer. Beyond your ability, done to death, not viable, beyond to your ability. Well meaning, if you are thinking of doing something, but you knew that it's beyond my ability, I don't think so. If you have doubt to do it, don't do it at the moment. Okay, for the fourth quarter of the year 2025, October, November, December, my dear Gemini, you have here, if you will not try to move on from that negative energy that you're having on the third quarter, then it says in here eight of uh, spade, meaning there is an illness in here. Illness, misfortune, dangers, upset. You will be very upset because of you will be now suffering from an illness, and it endangered you of losing your job, your business, your ability to do something or like that, and misfortune is now going to happen. So I've told you, my dear Gemini, if you will let the negative energy affect your life, and for those who are engaging in a like bad vices in life, like using illicit drugs, drinking too much alcohol, then you will be the loser. You will get this one. But if you will avoid that, then it will not happen to you. Okay. Right. For those who are okay, three of three of spade, and the two is up, meaning for some of you who are involving in a forbidden love, a love triangle, a third party situation, then this will be the result. You are going to have an emotional problems. Okay? There will be an inability who to choose to love, because you both like both or love. I don't know if it's really possible to love two persons. Maybe I don't know, but I do. True love is just only one person. Yeah, the other one I think is just. Hmm? So as I've said, my dear Gemini, be extra careful. I think you better step back or step out from that forbidden relationship. If you are happily married, why you will do that? If you are happily um, committed, why you will do that just for fun? No, that is really not good for you. Remember that you're a spiritual individual. Oh, right. Ace of Sword, your tarot message in here. Clarity is a yes card associated. This is your card, Gemini card. Yeah. And a Libra and Aquarius energy. This is an air sign energy, Ace of Sword, and also aligned to crown chakra. It says in here, you will start now to have new ideas, new plans, and for some of you, there will be success and victory, as I've said, and success. Mental clarity as well. I think you will now having a mental clarity that that is not really good dealing with those negative um, what is this energy. You have so you have now the ability to concentrate on what you're going to do. Okay, your angel message from for the fourth quarter of the year, it's Queen of Water. Tender-hearted, empathetic, patient, loving. Relationships develop to a new level. Trust your intuition. Care for yourself and others. Yeah, care for yourself and others. So, your animal spirit guides message is King of Winter, intelligent, impartial, respected, and emotional. Humpback whale. At this time, it's very important that you communicate clearly, be objective and unemotional, and act as a professionally as possible. If you need advice, seek out the most experienced expert you can find. Okay, for those who are seeking a job, career, and business message from the universe, taking steps. It's time for you to do an action now. Action is key to getting where you need to go. You cannot wait around. Take steps in any direction to get unstuck and find opportunities. That's right. Your message of love, Oracle deck, missed opportunity. I didn't act when I should have. Sa- So, right? So that's why it says in here, time for action. Okay? So in here, maybe you miss an opportunity to be with someone. Okay? Because you didn't act when you should have. Okay, for those who are seeking a yes or no answer for your question, it says yes. Getting it together is all lined up for you. Wow. The overall energy in here, as I've said, my dear Gemini friends, I think it's a positive year for you. Well, yeah, there is pressure from other people who are really jealous to you, but that's all. But as I've said, do not let them affect you. Okay, especially your emotional stability and mental stability. Do not, because you are protected and guided by the spirits around you. You're a spiritual warrior, my dear Geminis, and you are destined for greatness. All right. Good luck on your life journey. Thank you so much. Please, if you like my reading, please don't forget to comment below, like, share, and subscribe. Thank you. Love and light. Namaste.